So, me and Ka Lia Yang. What is your YouTube again?
BABYVUU.
Yeah, check her out. But we're here at River Falls, University of Wisconsin River Falls, to perform the Culture Fest. So, as you could tell, people are just getting in right now and it's about to start. So yeah, pretty excited. You excited?
Kind of nervous.
So we're about to rehearse our song that we wrote with the ukulele. Pretty excited. And this place has a nice little echo. Stair. That's a stairway. Từ trong gạo tiền từ hư
Thao con nhỏ nơi cũ ý trái chỉ bao lon gì ta
Thao con nhỏ nơi cũ ý xa chỉ bao thế có lý cả Tu con đó có tua có xa cho có thân nữ
Vì hai tiếng cứ từ lúc
So we got done with our performance, and what did you think about it? What were you sad about it?
I thought it was good, but okay. We messed up, kinda. But you know, it is our first performance together and with the songs.
For sure, for sure.
The sound was bad. Sound check, whatever.
Yeah, we didn't get a chance to sound check, so yeah. So we're eating right now. Some pretty good food. But oh shoot! Dropped my camera. But we're eating on the ground. Is that weird? Really weird. So we're officially done at UW River Falls. Me and Ka Lia, repping Minneapolis, St. Paul, Twin Cities. But yeah, we had a great time here.
Yeah, we had a good time.
We didn't spend too much time. It's only been like an hour and a half. Performed,
I
ate.
get to school tomorrow.
I know it's a weekday right now, so
Yeah.
hope you have fun, Ka Lia.
I had a lot of fun.
Cool. So we're at Harding High School, and of course I'm with Ka Lia again.
Hi.
And
Wait, did you post up the other vlog already?
no, it's gonna be with this one.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah. So we just got done kind of rehearsing over here in this back area of Harding High School. And yeah, we're performing last, so it's not gonna be until another like few hours, but
3 hours.
yeah.
But that, they said that it's kind of going fast.
Yeah, we'll see. But yeah. What's your name?
Oh, Isabel.
Isabel.
Subscribe to YouTube.
Shout out your YouTube. What's your YouTube?
YouTube.com/IsabelTao.
I'll link that. Hope you guys can. And you are?
Amanda Tao.
You guys are siblings, right? Doesn't look alike. He's adopted. Cool.
We should be in your vlog because you know we love you.
Sweet. Thank you. It's way too loud in here. Right, Ka Lia? Right, Sandy?
Yes.
By the way, this is Sandy Lore. Very, very talented. He's about to go up next, I think, or soon.
Andy. I'm Andy.
I'm Shane.
And I'm about to sign Andy's MP3 player. That's crazy. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. So
He's a huge fan. Yay.
I know. Appreciate the love.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sure. Thank you guys.
Bye.
See you around. That was cool. That was cool. Peace. So these girls are speaking Hmong right now. No, fail.
Wait, you said both. So it's Thanksgiving and we had this guest over and he knows how to speak Hmong, but he's not Hmong. So let's introduce you to Daniel. Con bên hả chị? Ping Hmong. Daniel mua.
Ping Daniel mua. Ủa chả có ba hào từ Hmong.
Bảo ạ.
Bao.
Daniel có biết sao không?
Cô ya yi xong cô đó nó yo ya nó cho lên đó Chinese tới.
That's so crazy. That's good. That's cool.